Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix mirrors or inverted video call on WhatsApp. As you can see, I am on the official app of WhatsApp and you can face this issue as this might be a bug of WhatsApp or sometimes you face this during the call. So what you need to do is simply go to the settings of your mobile. Let's say you have Android or iPhone, and if you have iPhone, simply go to settings and general and storage, and from here just find the app called WhatsApp, and once you reach here, just click on offload app. But make sure to remember one thing, that all of your WhatsApp data, if it is not backed up, will be removed and you have to download it again and log in your WhatsApp again. And in case you are on like Android, so you just need to go to the app section, clear data of your WhatsApp, clear the cache and log in again, and once you do it your issue will be solved. So that is a simple process of how you can solve inverted video calls issue on WhatsApp.